In this video, we're going to solve word problems using an equation. So let's read the word problem first. A water park charges $10 to park and an entry fee of $20 per person. Taylor paid a total of $130 to park his car and entry into the park for X people. What is the value of X? So first, I notice it's $10 to park. That's a one-time fee. And we have $20 per person. That's a rate. So this is a classic like slope-intercept type of problem, like a y equals mx plus b. But I know my total is 130. So you can start with your total is equal to your rate, so $20 per person, and we know our people are x, so 20 times x, plus paying for parking that one time. So that's my equation. Now I go through and I solve. Since they added 10, I'm going to subtract 10 on both sides of the equal sign. So I have 120 is equal to 20x, and then they've multiplied by 20, so I'm going to divide by 20 on both sides of the equal sign. So our x, or our number of people, is going to be equal to 6. So here's another example for you. Ricky bought tickets to a basketball game that cost $5 each, and he spent $15 on snacks. He spent a total of $25 for X tickets. What is the value of X? So first, we have our tickets, which are $5 each. That's a rate. We know, again, each, so for every single one of them, it's going to be $5. And then $15 on snacks is that one-time charge, and he spent a total of $25. So again, a classic slope-intercept question with a rate in that one-time fee. So we'll start with our total of 25 is equal to 5 times the number of tickets plus our snacks. And now we're going to solve. They've added 15 to both sides, so we'll subtract 15 from both sides. So 10 is equal to 5x. Divide each side of the equal sign by 5, and x is equal to 2. So he bought 2 tickets.